Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Treasure is back with If I. It's been a minute, Treasure. All right, enough talking. Let's just get into this. Let's go straight into the reaction. 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
What if there's something that's unforgivable?
Unforgivable?
Hiding my potential like it's criminal.
What you do?
But I got an alter ego like a whole other human. See me for how I really am. But
Hello?
I can do the same.
Oh.
No, I don't think I react.
Ooh.
Instead, big moves, I don't chase, I attract. Too loud, too fast.
Okay.
I ain't here for the
Hey.
rules, I'm here for the impact. 10 money pounds. Like me, no sleep, caffeine, dopamine, dripping,
Hey.
smoke core.
Hold up, turn that up. I need to turn this up in my headphones. Hold up. Replay that.
No, I don't think I react. Big step, big moves, I don't chase, I attract. Too loud, too fast, whole room jump back. I ain't here for the rules, I'm here for the impact. 10 money bounce.
That money bounce.
No sleep, caffeine, dopamine, dripping, smoke core, big dreams.
Ooh.
One piece, our noise, they heat, silver chick go down.
Get it. Oh.
Ain't nobody ever gonna.
Saw the what's the design in the back of his head?
Silver chick go down. Yeah, no one can me. Ain't nobody ever gonna forget my name.
I'm liking the whole black and white aesthetic. I'm not gonna lie. I've been seeing it recently. Me versus me every day. Ooh.
Let's go. If I win, you love me. If I win to bring, you don't trust me.
Ooh.
If I win, you love me. If I win to bring, you don't trust me.
If you win, you love me. If I win too big, you don't trust me. Okay, talk about it.
If I go, can stop me. If I jump, nobody gon' touch me. If I go, can stop me. If I jump, nobody gon' touch me.
If I go, can't stop me. If I jump, nobody gonna touch me. Talk about it.
If I move, whole crowd going like.
Oh.
If
I mean, the title track is. I mean, it says if I. Oh.
Bring on, hate the game, don't play nice. Hardcore, head strong, got the fame, pay the price.
Pay the price?
You call it a passion, your limitation, my domination can't see you fall. You tripping like a black ice.
You tripping like a black ice?
Better under pressure.
Black ice is slippery. I don't know if you ever slipped on one of those. Nah.
Turn my shadow into halo, that's the treasure. My confidence give you a complex, so you better brush up the cobwebs.
Brush off them cobwebs.
You know that. Ain't nobody ever gonna forget my name.
Nope.
Bullets ricochet, no matter I know where the battle is. Me versus me every day.
Me versus me.
Bang, bang the enemy. Here come the best of me.
I love that part.
Let's go.
The,
Hey.
Hey, the choreo going hard too. Hey, okay. Hey. Let's get it now. Going like what? Go. One. Talk about it. I already know that's gonna be lit live, bro. Treasure really always do bring the energy too. Oh. Comment down below what you guys think of Treasure's If I. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out their 4th mini album if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.